By the end of this video, you'll know not only the portioning guidelines that registered dietitians recommend, but also how to use portioning between where you're now versus where the registered dietitians ideally want you to be. 2, what to do for foods where hand portioning doesn't really work. And 3, the top 4 habits to make sure that you actually use the portioning guidelines. Because let's be real, when there's tempting food, portioning goes out the window. Hi VivaFam, this is Richa from Coach Viva. Let's go.
So here's what dietitians and nutritionists recommend. First, 1 fist-sized portion of vegetables, 1 cupped handful of grains, 1 deck of card-sized portion of lean protein, so that is about usually the size of your palm. Now, even if you aren't able to do this for every meal you eat, whatever food group you happen to have around, just do the best you can. So for instance, if you only have grains and proteins with your meals and you don't have any vegetables, continue to stick to 1 cup handful of grains and 1 palm or deck of card sized portion of lean protein. Now optional, but if you do have them with your meals, have 1 thumb sized portion of any cheeses, 1 cupped handful of nuts, 1 fingertip portion of oils or butters or sauces if you use that. And for sweets, have half a fist-sized portion of sweets. So, half of this. And for any caloric drinks you have, aim for 12 ounces or 1.5 cups. So that includes sodas and caffeinated beverages and alcoholic drinks. The beauty of using your hands is that it correlates with your body size. How much you eat or drink should match your needs. For instance, a short woman will have a smaller hand size than a tall man.
Now there are some foods that don't completely fit our amazing hand portioning guidelines. So here is a rough calorie reference guide. 1 serving of alcohol is about 150 calories. 1 slice of pizza is about 300 calories. 1 Starbucks sized cookie is about 350 calories. A 2-inch cookie is about 120 calories. 1 biscuit is about 200 calories. 1 scoop of ice cream is about 200 calories. And 1 piece of cake is about 450 calories. How many calories should you be tracking against? A very rough guideline is to multiply your body weight in pounds by 12. So for example, if you're about 150 pounds, then you should aim to eat about 1800 calories. We did a whole video on how many calories you should be eating. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below.
Now I'm going to talk about 4 habits to increase the likelihood that you'll actually stick to the portioning guidelines above. So here are some of our favorite strategies. First, and my personal favorite, the pause strategy. How this works is you choose the smallest plate at whatever event you're at and fill it up with half of it being vegetables, a third of it being lean protein, and then the rest of it being whatever else you like. After you're done eating everything on your small plate, drink a tall glass of water and then wait 10 minutes. After you wait 10 minutes, ask yourself, am I still hungry? And by hunger, I mean you actually feel a painful hollow sensation in your stomach. If the answer is yes, then go back and repeat steps 1 to 3. The second strategy is what I like to call the sayonara food strategy. Basically, after you decided that you're satiated and no longer hungry, you move to a room where there is no food. So if you're at a party, you go to a different room that's away from where all the food is being displayed. During this time, engage others in conversation and really focus on that instead. It'll keep you from thinking about the food. Third is the eyes match stomach strategy. Have you ever taken a bag of chips to the couch and watched TV and thought you might only have a handful or so, but you end up eating the entire bag? This strategy mitigates that. Whenever you feel like snacking, take out whatever snack you want to eat out of their container onto a plate, and then put the container away and only put the amount that you have portioned for yourself to wherever you want to eat it at in a different room. And fourth is the gum strategy. If you feel like nibbling when you're cleaning up or if you're just at work and bored, then maybe chewing sugarless gum can help. Because a lot of times we just kind of want to chew on something, and just that motion alone tends to be enough to help satisfy the craving for most people and get them out of that I'm bored, I need something to do mindset. And try chewing flavored gum or minty gum if you want something that's a little more flavorful and exciting.
There you have it, a complete guide to portioning well. If there are health and fitness topics that you want us to talk about, go ahead and leave that in the comment below. Also, if you like this content and you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload the video. Alright, until next time.